They're all gonna be dead except the purple, the pink, not this pink, the dark pink, and the habitat one. But still, they'll get changed once they're dead. Oh, it is seeing the lime green again. 30 minutes left until the memory is full. 32 minutes left on this tape. 32 minutes left on this tape. City Paradise. I know there's only 8 going, but all 25 are going. They're going to be dead too much, and they take like an hour to run completely dead. Well, when they're slow. Oh, he's eating something. Oh, he's eating the solder. I'm going to take that out. The screw can stay in wherever it went. There's the big solder in there. I don't know where the screw went. The two of the broken ones that have nothing in them. Even the orange one's like this now. Pretty much. Except it's actually cracked. But I'm getting a new one. If I had it, I'd have 26. I was supposed to be having 27. I don't know. Oh, there's even another solder piece. There's 3 in here. I think one's plenty. And a screw. There, that's the screw. And it was eating a battery. Sunbeam battery. Oh, both of the Gravity series are in here. The lime green and the brown. Oh, went out. Oh, even he came out. LR44 battery. Oh no, the battery juice is almost dead in here.